Hello, today we will guide you through how to import audio files into Otter AI. To get started, open Otter.ai in your web browser. This is where you can upload audio recordings and have them transcribed automatically, which is especially helpful if you want searchable notes or a written version of a conversation, lecture, or meeting. Once you're on the Otter.ai site, look over to the navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen and click Home. This will take you to the main dashboard area, where Otter organizes your recent activity and gives you access to key tools. If you're already on the home screen, that's perfect. You can simply continue from there. Next, move to the top right corner of the page and click Import. This is the option you'll use whenever you want to bring an existing audio file into Otter instead of recording something live. After selecting Import, an upload window will appear, giving you a couple of ways to add your file. From this upload window, click Browse Files. This opens your computer's file picker, allowing you to locate the audio file you want to upload. Take a moment here to choose the correct recording. It can be helpful if your file is already saved in an easy-to-find folder before you begin, especially if you're working with several recordings. You'll also notice the area labeled for Drag and Drop the Files. This means you can either continue by selecting your file through the file browser, or, if you prefer, drag the audio file directly from your computer and drop it into that upload area. For many people, this is the fastest method, especially when the file is already open in a folder on the desktop or in a file manager window. After you place the file into the upload area, Otter will begin importing it so it can process the audio. Depending on the size and length of the recording, this may take a little time, so it's normal if you need to wait a moment before the transcript appears. That's all there is to it. By going to Home, selecting Import, and then choosing or dragging in your audio file, you can quickly upload recordings into Otter.ai for transcription. If you plan to do this often, keeping your audio files clearly named and organized can make the process even smoother.